Welcome back again, class 6. Yesterday we had learned BODMAS rule. Now here is the revision of BODMAS rule. B stands for bracket, O is off. Off is a special kind of multiplication which is like multiply, but when you have in mathematics the operation off and multiply together, first we are going to do off because its preference or its order is before multiplication. So after off we have division, then multiply, then add, then subtract. Okay, in brackets also we have different kinds of brackets, as you can see, first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. So today in exercise 7a we are going to deal with problems which have these brackets, first brackets, second brackets and third bracket. Let us see them. Here is question number 2 part 1. As you can see the question, you have the curly brackets, these are the second brackets, and inside the curly bracket you have again this round bracket which are known as also first bracket. So which is the innermost bracket? These round brackets are the innermost brackets. So whatever is inside this round bracket, that we will solve first, and since we solve the round brackets first, that's why they are known as first brackets. So inside the round bracket you have 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8 is 15. In the next line 45 divided by 15 is written within the second brackets, the curly brackets, and outside this minus 3 is there, that minus 3 is written as it is. Now the turn is for this second bracket. First bracket is solved, we got 15, no need to put any more bracket symbol. For single value no need of bracket. 45 divided by 15 is 3. 15, 3 is a 45, so here is 3. So finally we have 3 minus this 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now the next question. Here we have 9 minus first bracket, and inside the first brackets you have 7 minus 8 divided by 4. So as you can see, inside the bracket also there are multiple operations. Subtraction is there, division is there. So inside the bracket also BODMAS rule is going to be followed. So in the BODMAS rule we know division's preference is over subtraction. That means division is to be done before subtraction. Remember, here is division, here is subtraction. Whose position is before? Division's position is before. So first we do division, then we come to subtraction. So in the bracket also we are going to use the BODMAS rule. So let us do it. So as I said, division has to be done first. Division is in between 8 and 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. This minus sign comes, this 7 comes as it is. So now we have within the first bracket only 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So let us write that. So for this 5 no need to put the brackets anymore. For single value no brackets are used. So finally we have 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the answer is 4. The next question is part 3. We have 63 minus second bracket. Within the second bracket again the first brackets are there. In that 24 minus 20 is written. Then after the first bracket closed, within the second bracket you have into 15 multiplied by 15. So first things first, we solve the innermost bracket first. So in the innermost bracket, which is the first bracket, we have 24 minus 20. 24 minus 20 is 4. So next line will be 4 into 15. Since the first bracket is solved, no need to give the first bracket anymore. We got the single value 4. So now we have the second bracket. In the second bracket, this 24 minus 20, that 4 is there multiplied by 15. 4 into 15. 15 into 4 is 60. So in the next line we are going to write 63 minus 60. Alright. So because 4 into 15 is 60. So now the next is doing 63 minus 60. 63 minus 60 is 3. So the answer is 3. Okay, now let us go and do the fourth part. I'm sorry, there is no fourth part. We have the next is question number 3. So question number 2 was only till part 3. So question number 3, we have 24 divided by second bracket. Within second bracket you have 87 minus 3. Now you notice one thing, between 3 and the first bracket there is no symbol if there is no symbol, the default symbol will be multiplication. So I have written over here multiplication symbol to avoid any kind of confusion. So 3 multiplied by first bracket 5 of 5. Now this is the first time where this operation of is used. Of is a kind of multiplication only. So 5 of 5 means 5 multiplied by 5. So 5 multiplied by 5 or 5 of 5 is 25. So we have finished the use of first brackets and we got the single value, so no more first bracket needed. Now the second bracket has 87 minus 3 into 25. So we have minus or subtraction, we have into or multiplication. So in the BODMAS rule, see, multiplications position is before subtractions. So first we are going to solve the multiplication, and the multiplication sign is between 3 and 25. So 25 into 3 is 75. So 25 into 3 75 written over here. Now finally we have only one operation within the second bracket, 87 minus 75. So 75 subtracted from 87 is 12. So 87 minus 75 in the next line will be written as 12 without the brackets. As you can see, 87 minus 75 is 12. Since we got single value, no need of the brackets anymore. So finally we have just one operation, 24 divided by 12. 12 2s are 24. So 24 divided by 12 is 2. So our answer is, for question number 3, the answer is 2. Our next question is question number 4. We have this, as you can see. Now we have second bracket and we have first bracket. So as rule says, first we solve the innermost bracket, which is the first bracket. And again you can see between 4 and the first brackets, there is no symbol. No plus, no minus, no addition, no subtraction. So as I said, no symbol, then we have multiplication as the default symbol. So I have given the multiplication sign in order to avoid any confusion. Remember, if no sign is given between the number and the bracket, there is multiplication sign. So now we will solve it. First we will solve the innermost bracket. So our innermost bracket is solved. 10 minus 8 is 2. So no need of these first brackets anymore. So now we are left with 4 into 2 minus 16 divided by 2. So we have into, that is multiplication, we have subtraction, we have division. So in the BODMAS rule, we have the division's position before multiplication and subtraction. So first we will do divide, and the division sign is between 16 and 2. So 16 divided by 2 will be done first. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we have 4 into 2 minus 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we are left with multiplication and subtraction. In the BODMAS rule, multiplication's preference is over subtraction. That means position of multiplication lies before subtraction. So we are going to do multiplication first, and the multiplication sign is in between 4 and 2. So 4 into 2, 8 will be written in the next line. So within the bracket, the curly brackets or the second bracket, 4 into 2, 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So finally we can lift up the second bracket and write 0. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Single value needs no bracket. 8 minus 0 is 8. So the answer of question number 4 is 8. Question number 5. Now in question number 5, for the first time we have been introduced with bar brackets or third bracket. So all the three kinds of brackets are here. First bracket, second bracket, and the third bracket. And in addition, there is one more. This is called bar. A line, you can see a line is drawn just above 4 minus 3. That means, leaving all the rules aside, we will first solve that portion on which this line is there. On which the line is there? On 4 minus 3. Above 4 minus 3 the line is given. So first thing we will solve is 4 minus 3. Then we will come back to the BODMAS rule and do as the BODMAS rule tells us. So as you can see, within the first bracket also, that bar or the line is above 4 minus 3. So I have solved 4 minus 3 first. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 5 minus 1. Now we will come back and solve the sum just like how we used to solve by using BODMAS rule. So whenever you see the bar on whichever portion, solve that portion first, leaving all the rules aside. Solve that portion above which this line will be there, and then you come back and use the BODMAS rule. So now we have the innermost bracket, the first bracket 5 minus 1, that we will solve first. Rest of the numbers you leave them as it is, no solving should be done. So finally the first bracket is solved. 5 minus 1 is 4. Single value 4 requires no bracket, so this bracket will not be given for 4. So now we are left with second bracket or the curly bracket. In the curly bracket we have 6 minus 4. Solve 6 minus 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Finally only the third bracket is left. So within the third bracket you have 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so 3 minus 2 is 1. So finally we have been left with 2 minus 1, that is answer is 1. So see how systematically it is solved. First we solve the portion on which this bar or the line is given. Then we solve the first bracket. Then we solve the second bracket. And at the end we solve the third bracket. And when we are left with just one number after solving the brackets, we just get a single value over here that we subtract from the number which is outside, 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Question number 6. This is the question. As you can see here, second bracket and first bracket are used. So now coming to the first bracket, inside the first bracket multiple operations of division and subtraction are there. So division's preferences over subtraction, and the division is in between 20 and 5. So 20 divided by 5 we will do first within the first bracket. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So minus 3 is written as it is. So we haven't solved yet the first bracket. So in the next line within the first bracket, that is 4 minus 3 will be solved. 4 minus 3 is 1. So you can see first bracket is solved, we got 1. Now the second bracket needs to be solved. Within the second bracket you have 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. So after solving the second bracket we will get 9. So here it is. After solving the second bracket we got 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. So finally we get the answer of question number 6 is 3. The last question is question number 7. Here we have again the same case. See, between 5 and the bracket no symbol is there. So we will put multiplication symbol. So I have put the multiplication symbol. Then we have the first bracket. Inside the first bracket you have 18 divided by, and again here see, just above 8 minus 5 you have this bar line. That means normally if this line was not there, then we would have used BODMAS rule within the first bracket and done the division first, isn't it? 18 divided by 8 would have been done first. But since you have the bar line just above 8 minus 5, so we need to forget the rest of the rules and first do 8 minus 5. And then whatever comes after doing 8 minus 5, with that you will divide 18. That's the rule. This is called the bar. And the significance of bar is above everything else. So first we have to solve whatever is below bar. And also notice that whatever are outside, whatever numbers are outside, whatever operations are outside the brackets, I haven't done them, I haven't touched them, they are written as it is. We will not do them unless and until we solve the brackets first, because in the BODMAS rule, we have the B first, B for brackets. All kinds of brackets will be solved first, and then after getting a single value after solving the bracket, then only we will solve them with the rest of the numbers and the operations. Okay, now coming back to the second bracket. Inside the second bracket we still have the first bracket, and within that you have 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 are 18, right? So 18 divided by 3 is 6. So we have solved the first bracket. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. So we have finished solving the first bracket. Now the second bracket has 5 into 6 minus 30. So multiplication and subtraction. So multiplication's preference is over subtraction in the BODMAS rule, remember? So now first we will solve and do 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is 30. And as you can see, we haven't touched 2 into 10 divided by 5 right from the starting. It is left and written as it is. So now within the second bracket we have 30 minus 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So after solving all the brackets, we got a single value 0. So 0 plus 2 into 10 divided by 5 written as it is. Now we will solve all the numbers using the BODMAS rule, because we have no more the bracket is solved. Now in the next line we will not write this 0 because 0 has no value. We will just write 2 into 10 divided by 5. So in 2 into 10 divided by 5 you have multiplication and division. Division's preference is over multiplication. That means division has to be solved before multiplication. Remember BODMAS rule? Okay. Here division's preference is before multiplication. So we have to do the same thing here also. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now finally we just have one operation, multiplication. So 2 into 2 is 4, which is our answer for question number 7. Okay, for question number 7 the answer we got is 4. So we have completed solving exercise 7a. Okay, what the remaining is there in exercise 7a that we will not do. 7a is limited only till question number 7.